Hello and welcome to the TV room. Here is a schematic of the area of the board that I have been working on. In front of us, where did I put my handy dandy pointer? Well, I guess I'll use this. This here is the 555 chip. It is the one that supposedly triggers the reset. It does. And I believe what I did already is I believe this is the capacitor that I changed. But there is another here. And there's a couple of resistors here. And another capacitor here. And then it does. I'm not sure I can do this. Let's see here. Can I slide this? Oh, I need to get at the cursor keys. Hang on here. Anyway, from there are a couple of support chips. The 74LS04. Maybe I should have my reading glasses on. There. And 7417. And it tells me where they are. UA3, UA10. And, things carry on down the line. So we follow the line. We see that this goes to another thing here. Ooh, down. This thing here. Anyway, it does seem there's all kinds of things that it could be. It could. Anyway, that's what these little support chips do, is support things. Yeah. So we'll go back up and we'll see. Where are we? There it is. The 555. So I will keep tinkering. I know that Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel is going to look through the schematics and see what he has in mind. And I will continue to tinker and ponder and tinker and ponder. But sadly, this is getting to be one of those things, kind of like the dusty, rusty grocery, where it's like, I got to get on with things. I just got to get on with things. But anyway, I want to get these two things happy. And then, the main thing with this does it kind of, when you take something out and do something and then find that something is not as it should be, it does sort of rattle your confidence and stuff. So I really think what I should have done, yes, I should have taken and done this chip thing. But when it came to the capacitor, which is here, I probably shouldn't have touched it. But I probably should not have. But hey, maybe the one that was in there, because the one that is now in this machine is indeed the one that was in the other machine. So maybe it is bad, but maybe there's something else bad. Maybe. Anyway, I will get some more really strong glasses, and I will look very carefully to make sure that there is no solder and no shorts and nothing else going on. And, and I guess I will make a trip to an electronics place and get replacements of some of these capacitors. I did find another thing here. I wonder if it's here. The dynamic PET, or is this the one? The dynamic PET. Let us slide down a bit. This could be the one. Okay, there's jumper things. Ooh, sorry, I'm not really looking at things here. I was so focused in the corner. But what I think is down here. Aha! Main logic assembly part. So it tells me what, in fact, each thing that is on the board is. So when I find something that is the stuff to be checked, the stuff to be done, I should know. I need to make a list. But basically, there's a whole lot of capacitors that are all the same. And then there is other ones that are different values. There are, and I just forget which was the one that I was looking at. Well, it's okay. Capacitors, they're all here. So, just a second. Let's go back over here. C66. So C66. I saw it. Aha. 0.01. There it is. So I need to get some of them. And then there are others. Let us look back over here. There's C68. Which looks, oh, it's a 0.1 at 50 volts. Okay. And then there's C67. C67. I don't, oh, no. I said, oh, it is a 10. There we are. 10, 25 volt. Tant. Whatever that means. Anyway, so by Googling, you can find all kinds of things online. You can. So I'm not giving up. I cannot give up. I must not. I will not. Now, the other thing, somebody said, one of your machines is 4016, one's a 4032. Well, the 16 has been upgraded. So it doesn't matter. They're both 32K machines. Both machines look much the same. And we'll get to the bottom of this. We will, one way or another. Could be a support chip. Could be a capacitor. I've looked, resistors often, if there is something wrong, they might look a little like burned. I don't see anything. But anyway, I will keep on keeping on and see what I can find. So thanks for coming. I'll let you know how it goes. And if you have any thoughts, I like thoughts. I like wisdom. I need help. Anyway, we'll talk to Rudy tomorrow and see what he has to say. See what we can find. Thanks so much for coming. Thanks for being here. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.